It's hard to find a brother that was down for me, so I'm telling everybody let him be, cause he's mine and I can't take no prisoners trying to take my baby. So I thought I had to let you know, find someone you can call your own, cause now you're walking in the danger zone, and if I touch you, I'll be wrong. You can never win my man. I'ma be the one to bring it to you. Get my girl, get my man. Find your woman,
What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dilylahferrari if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, boo? Today we are back with another beautiful wig. This is a wig install that I just created for you guys, for the girls, for the beautiful people out there. And if you want to get beautified, just keep on watching, you guys. I'm gonna show you exactly how I got this install. I did it myself, and I will show you guys exactly how I plucked, I bleached, and I did all that good stuff just for you guys, just for my babies, and just so that you can go out there and be great and slay. Don't forget to visit the description box down below so that you can get yourself this beautiful hair. This hair is by Caitlyn hair on Amazon, you guys. It is fire. I love it so much, but I'm not gonna ramble too much, and let's just get into this bomb unit. Alrighty, guys, so in the box you get your Caitlyn hair. This is human hair, guys. Inside of there is a letter, and it says, "Thanks for choosing Caitlyn." So cute. And then you get a wig cap, which I will be using in this video. And then you have your wig. You guys, I haven't done a curly hair in years, but look how dark black this hair is. I love that. And inside of the cap, we have some clips which we will be using. You guys, look at the pattern in this beautiful curly kinky hair. I love it so much. Now I'm gonna take my canvas head, and I will link this canvas down below. I did buy it from Amazon, you guys, and I will be linking this beautiful hair down below also with coupon codes. I'm gonna take these T-pins and just apply it right at the end so that the wig doesn't move. So you guys, I've realized that this is already pre-plucked. Like, the hairline is super thin, which is a good thing. All you need to do is take that part that they plucked out and separate it, do a braid. You're gonna use this part for your baby hairs. Okay, so we want this to be our baby hairs. I'm just gonna braid that. Then we're gonna pluck behind that hairline that they already have plucked. Now guys, I'm going to use my wax stick. This wax stick was purchased in Walmart for about $3, and I'm gonna apply that right in the areas I want to define the most. I'm also gonna take my hot comb and comb out the areas and move the hair out the way so that I could get a cleaner look, guys. Just apply the wax stick right in the front and hot comb after you do so. You want this to be clean. You want it to look crispy, and you want to look defined. So in order to get a nice clean parting, like what I'm doing here, right in the middle, you want that super crispy, sharp, you know, middle part. You want to use your hot comb. I will be listing a hot comb down in the description box below for you guys from Amazon. Mine was purchased at my local beauty supply store, and it was only about $12, but I will try to find you guys one affordable with good reviews, you guys, and also the canvas will be in there also. Now you guys, you're gonna want to take a spray bottle and spray the hair at the top because you want the hair to lay flat. I got my spray bottle from Dollar Tree. You can also get it anywhere else, and I'll try to find one and link it down below. You're gonna take any freezing spray. I like the Ebin New York freezing spray. I bought mine from Walmart, but I can also leave that in the description box for you guys. And you're gonna freeze those areas because you want it to look neat. I'm going over it with my hot comb so that the hot comb can make it nice and flat up there, and it's gonna look super crisp. You guys, you want to look neat at the end of the day, and this works. Now would you look at that parting? It looks so neat. Now I'm gonna go in with my leg spray. This is the Sally Hansen leg spray, you guys. Yes, it's a leg spray, and it matched my skin complexion so well. I bought this leg spray from Walmart for about $3. Look how tan that look. And you gotta pick out one that matches your skin color. I will also try to link it down below for you guys. Look at that parting, you guys. It looked like scalp, and watch when I put it on. Would you look at that parting? Tell me that don't look like scalp. Now this hair is so beautiful, you guys. Look at the curls. I didn't even apply that much water. I didn't even apply any conditioner. It looks so bomb. I'm gonna clip it, and I'm also going to style it. Now remember those combs inside of the wig? We're gonna take those two combs on the side and pull it down and push it into our braids so that the wig is nicely tight and snugly on our head, and then it's not moving out of place. I'm going to cut the baby hairs in a little bit, but before I do that, I'm gonna glue down this unit with the Ebin New York spray. You guys, this freezing spray also glue down your lace, and it melts it also. We're going to cut off our lace, and then we're gonna do some baby hairs. Now, as I was doing my baby hairs, I see that my lace is a little bit out of color. So the infamous trick is to use some powder. This is the Fit Me Maybelline 24-hour powder in the color 360. This is my skin complexion color. So I just applied a little bit more on the lace just so it could look more natural. Alrighty guys, so this is how the hair came out. Oh my god. I did get a little bit of the leg spray onto the hair. When you're doing the leg spray method on your lace, you guys, you have to take your time with that. If you just throw some water on there, it'll come right off, I promise you. So this hair was from Caitlyn Laced Front Wigs on Amazon. This is a human hair. This is a kinky human hair, you guys. This is glueless. It's 4x4. It is bomb. The knots are already pre-plucked, so it was super easy to work with. This hair is super affordable. It was only $130, you guys, and you get a coupon when you buy it. Like, this is so worth it, so beautiful. It's on the go and it looks fire. So I'm gonna apply some leave-in conditioner in there. This is by Palmer's. This is a natural leave-in conditioner for your like natural girls and their natural hairs. But we're gonna apply some of that onto this hair. So, oh, this Palmer smells so good, y'all. So if you want this hair, you can wash it, you can color it, you can straighten it if you like, and it is a 24-inch. I'm actually in love with this hair right now. Like, I normally don't like kinky hairs, but this wig is super easy to work with. Reason why I don't like kinky hairs is because it gets tangled easy, but this hair, when I was combing it out, it was just giving super natural. Like, look, you see, like my hands, my nails did not get caught onto there. Like, it's just super manageable. It's super soft, It has minimum to no shedding. See, as I'm pulling it, barely any hair coming out, and I feel like the little bits, like this is only 3 strands of hairs coming out, and that's because I did a lot of plucking to the lace, so all that hair is still kind of like in there. I didn't get all of it out. You guys, I love this hair so much. I'm gonna show y'all the back just in case anyone wants to see the back, and I'm gonna apply some of this Palmer's leave-in conditioner in the back. Y'all, go get you this hair. This hair is so bomb. This is how the back looks. It's very big, very curly. It's giving much, you know, vacation vibes. This hair is very full. It's giving very much 180 density, but very light. It's not making me hot or anything like that, you guys. It was super easy because it was pre-plucked. It was super easy, y'all. I'm not a pro at this. I just know how it's supposed to look, so you know, you make it do what it do. You make it to your own liking. This hair is fire. I'm so in love. So when you're buying curly hairs, make sure that you read the reviews and make sure that you are picking out the perfect curly hair. Like this one is perfect. This is kinky, by the way. It's not like a wave or anything. It's not deep wave. It is so beautiful. Once again, super lightweight, super fire, y'all. Go get you this hair. It will be in the description box below, and I will have a code for you guys if you want to purchase this. I am so in love. Now I want to go out. Now I want to go to a brunch or something since I'm dressed and to impress. Like, I look so freaking bomb right now, y'all. So bomb. Like, nobody can tell me nothing. Love you guys, and thank you so much for rocking out with me in this video. I hope that you do stay tuned for more videos by being subscribed and hitting that notification bell for my future videos. And I will see y'all in my next one. I love you so much. Be great out there, and thank you.
It's hard to find a brother that was down for me, so I'm telling everybody let him be.